Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my uh, intraday Camarilla inside in stock option, how we filter. So Monday we are checking some stocks like Era Motor Corp, which forming a inside level, so that may be a positional or an intraday. So from 140 is the level for an R4, and I suppose somewhere around 82 something. So this is the gap, and it is exactly forming an inside between the previous day, and we are looking for a breakout, and that was giving you such a good move, and maximum it went to 70 plus. So this kind of opportunity where we are finding with the scanner, and that works well. And many stocks in option itself we try to find, that's very difficult. So that's why we created one scanner, and that scanner will help you to find out what are the stocks which forming a such a pattern, and that will help us to find out. So a lot of stocks on yesterday also we find this much of stocks, and we find that R4 level 1 day period. So like Adani and Adani Port. So these are all the options which forming inside like DL of 860. So let me check that. That was the data which we are taken by yesterday, and this is an 860, whether it is an inside or not. Sorry, DL of 860 put option. 860. Here is a put option. So it isn't exactly inside between the previous day. The same particular strike in DL of 860 call option, it doesn't forming a such a inside one. Okay, so that more powerful, that inside and the same strike price of call and put, one is not an inside, another one is an inside. So that is a very important where we are funding individual strike price. So if you are taking 180 stocks, it will be filtering out almost into double the strike prices, almost 360 plus stocks we are filtering out with the scanner. And we find only a put side, lot of put side, and look like a Bajaj FinServ 6600, and today it was happening in call side also. Bajaj FinServ, sorry, Bajaj Finance 6600, the call option also an inside. So exactly less than R4 and greater than the S4. So this kind of opportunity where we are looking for this, and this is also based on the today's R4 breakout and a Google sheet. We find this stock in the top one because of it just break the level by the second candle. One more confirmation, it is looks like a inside one. So here also we are looking at, it is not an inside, but there is an opportunity here if it is an inside. So from that point almost to 60, and it went up to near about 200 level. But even today 120, and it went up to 220. So almost 100 points. So this is an opportunity where we try to find with the scanner. Okay, and DLF is the one more 860 doesn't have. In Adani and 3100. Adani 3100. Put option in this case we are looking for. That is giving you breakout here, and around 62, and it went up to almost 79. So that's good for an intraday, and if you are a positional trader, maybe we keep a stop loss below 43. So that we are exactly looking for, if any option which forms such a pattern inside between the previous day, that we are filtering out that. And Ultratech 11400. Let me check this. These are all the stock which is filtered by 00 Ultratech. So this one also filtered. This is a call. Sorry, we have got a option that are inside in a put side only, not in a call side. You can look at this. Call side is not an exactly inside. Ultra Tech 11400 put option, but it doesn't give you the breakout. Maybe this breakout level valid for tomorrow. So if it is given in the breakout, we can keep stop loss below the S4 level. So that is very important. So let me try to check for tomorrow stocks. These are all the stocks which forming yesterday. So we will try to find a 1 day before. So let me try to find today's stocks. Let me try to update. So it's a scanner which we have created, and maybe soon I will be updating this data in my Google Sheet, that is an option scanner, and there I can update this data, whatever the stock which we find out for an arrow. It may be helping you to find the one or two opportunities for an intraday, or you can try with how it works on backtest something you can do, and I will be try to add. And tomorrow put side and see some of the stocks which is C M&M 2750. Let me check whether it is liquid or not. M&M 2750 call option, it looks like an inside. Maybe it is tomorrow, it is inside. So if you have a tomorrow levels, if you are able to find out the tomorrow Camarilla levels, it will be showing you tomorrow level would be inside. Maybe we have some codes in trading view, but I'm just using your abstracts right now on watching the charts, and this would be the stock which forming a tomorrow narrow. And in a put side, so let me check Tata Steel 155. So let me check these two or which forming a inside put option. This one Tata Steel is a put option, and this may be a tomorrow, it would be very narrow. So what I'm just exactly looking for, if any narrow level which forms, maybe an opportunity, we can get a good breakout. So that is what the logic, and I'm just checking with an ATM strike price. If I'm checking with an ATM strike price according to the previous day closing price, if any opportunity which came, that would be helping you to find out a good intraday trade opportunity by using this particular scanner. So one day before we can track that strike prices, that may be giving you some results, but in this particular strike price we don't get any inside level. But under yesterday's data we have a lot of stocks, but some of them are working well. And whether you are using a positional or intraday, it depends on your risk ability and your trading style. But the concept is to not to provide any buy sell signals, and it is about to filter out the stocks based on the scanner. And I'm just finding this, maybe it is your own risk where you are going to take a trade based on this concepts or not. So this is purely the scanner which helping you to find out the stock which forming a such a pattern. So we did, and a lot of stocks like Zydus, Godrej, ICS, DLF, Bajaj, Finserv 1560, that put side. Bajaj Finserv yesterday 1560 call is working very well today, but it is not an inside because S4 is less than the previous day S4, but it is giving you the breakout and it works well. But in this case, Bajaj Finserv 1560 put option, it is an inside. There you can see exactly inside between R3 and S4, S3, and it given you the breakdown and it keep moving lower. It may be working with the selling point of view. So this is what an idea where I just finding out this particular strike prices which forming a inside, and that's two stocks. One is a Tata Steel 155, and you can let's just track tomorrow what will happen on this particular strike price, and this will works better in intraday. And here you can see there is a big breakout. So it is in this kind of trade setup. I'm just looking with the scanner inside one, and maybe the R4 level broken. I keep a stop loss below S4, very narrow or very small risk. And after this breakout around 12 rupees, and it went up to 36, and same it still continues to 45. And that is what an opportunity we are simply finding out, but it may not be at the exact ATM strike price at the time. So that's why the premium is very low. Maybe at the same time, what would be the price first of August? That may be an opportunity where we get in on the ATM option. So Bajaj Finserv and 1st August. That may be 1650 put option. But strike price is not available. Be yeah, here you can see. And 1st August, the premium is 44. Maybe the stop loss is 35. And from 45, it went to 120. So maybe that we can also use, and that intraday breakouts by using this Camarilla scanners. Maybe I will update on our Google Sheet this daily data. So it will be helping you to those who are following my channel and Google Sheet. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.